Hello everybody, welcome back. So in a previous video, I talked about some of this brown spots, lawn disease that's been happening in the lawn. And I think that's probably happening from watering too frequently. Been watering every day for about 25 minutes each zone. I have 3 zones set up. I'm gonna do it yourself timer and sprinklers. So I want to dial in how much we should be watering. So this is a cool season lawn. Typically you should be watering about an inch and a half every week in the summer for a cool season lawn. So just to figure out if we're getting the correct amount of watering, went out Amazon, bought these sprinkler and rain gauges, 12 pack for about 20 bucks. Now I know some people say you could just do this with tuna cans. Personally, I don't eat that much tuna to save up 12 cans. And also with the price of food these days, this is probably cheaper. Anyway, so I got these set up on this zone. These are the sprinklers that I'm using. We'll run it for 25 minutes. That's what I've been running it normally on a daily basis. We'll see how much water is collected by these rain gauges, and we'll try to figure out what we could do from there. This is the timer that I've been using. It's made by Beehive, and personally I like it. You can connect up to 4 zones in it. It is Bluetooth, but you could buy a Wi-Fi adapter, which I have on the other side of this wall in an outlet, and you could actually control this timer through Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna get the sprinkler started. We'll see what we have. As you can see, this is why I have this set up to 3 zones, because one sprinkler doesn't quite make it all the way halfway through the yard. Another sprinkler over here to cover the wedge from here to here, and then a 3rd sprinkler in this corner to cover this section. Anyway, let's see what the rain gauges tell us. So we finished our watering, checking out all the zones, and we're averaging about 0.1 to 0.2 inches of water for a 25-minute watering cycle, which is telling me that we need to increase the amount of time that we're watering for, but we gotta decrease the frequency. So like I said, I was watering every day for 25 minutes. I think I'm gonna switch it up to every other day, maybe 45 minutes, so that we're getting that at least an inch of water on the lawn. Because a lot of this browning could be caused by heat stress, along with fungus from watering too frequently. We'll make those changes, we'll see what happens. Anyway, thanks again, take care.